my channel. I'm Ash from California. This year we wanted to celebrate our new year with nature. So come on, let's go.
Now it's been 3 hours since our travel, so we decided that we should take a break. Break, we resumed our travel towards our destination. As you can see, in the beginning there was no snow, but as we came closer to our destination, we came across massive amounts of snow. Finally, we reached our destination. After our arrival, within an hour it started snowing, so me and my brother couldn't resist, so we immediately suited up and went outside to play. I was very curious about my brother's reaction, as it was his first snow experience. Later, I was delighted to see my brother was enjoying so much. We were so excited to play in the snow that we started building a snowman.
Volcanic National Park.
Lawson Volcanic National Park is located in Northern California. Its specialty is that the place is extremely rich in hydrothermal sites. There are active volcanoes nearby, which preserve heat and allows water flow. Manzanita Lake is one of the many tourist attractions in Lawson Volcanic National Park. Manzanita Lake stretches over 26 acres. When we arrived, due to the snowstorm, there was 5 to 10 feet of snow. Manzanita Lake was frozen over when we arrived, so we couldn't see the true beauty of the most photographed lake. As you can see, when we were on Manzanita Lake, the snow was so deep that our legs were sinking in. Then we decided to play and not go any further, as it may have been a hazardous risk. That there is water flowing in these freezing temperatures. This is because, as I said earlier, the active volcanoes nearby provide heat, which allows water to flow. This place also allows adventurous activities like skiing, snowboarding, and also sledding. Enjoying our time in Lawson Volcanic National Park, we headed towards Mount Shasta. Mount Shasta is about an hour and a half of a drive. Mount Shasta is actually an active volcano located in the city of Shasta. Its elevation is about 3,600 feet above sea level. Mount Shasta is a distinguished landmark in Northern California. During the coldest nights of the winter months, the temperature can drop well below 14 Fahrenheit or -10 Celsius. Due to its height, Mount Shasta always has a snow cap all year round. It is also home to some of the largest ice glaciers located in California. Mount Shasta is about 593,000 years old. It earned its title as a World Heritage Site in 1976. Mount Shasta comes under the Cascade Mountain Range.
Welcome to Mount Shasta.
Shasta, we headed towards Lake Siskiyou, which is about 5 miles away from Shasta City.
Let's go. So on that side, there's a viewpoint that you can go and look at the top of Bernie Falls.
Bernie Falls is a waterfall located in Shasta County, California. The elevation of this waterfall is about 3,281 feet. The height of this waterfall is about 129 feet up in the air. Each day, about 100 million gallons of water drop into a 22-foot deep pool of cold water. Bernie Falls gained its title as a World Heritage Site in 1954. The water comes from springs that are located at and above the waterfall. The nearest city to Bernie Falls is the city Bernie, California. This is a year-round waterfall due to the melting snow from Bernie Mountain. The way down to the waterfall was extremely steep and slippery because of the snow and ice. Even my bro gave it a try to shake the branch and have snow drop down on him. Uh-oh, it seems like it was a piece of tough luck. After Bernie Falls, we headed towards Fort Crook Historical Museum. On the way, we stopped near this park that had metal-crafted creatures and animals. this wonderful vista point. This vista point was a place where you could get a glimpse of the Pitt River. You can see the bridge that was built in 1928 over Pitt River Falls as a part of Highway 299, known then as the Yellowstone Cutoff. The route soon proved dangerous for travelers and too expensive to maintain, and the highway was moved to its present alignment in 1932. The bridge is now owned by Shasta Historical Society, which purchased it for $1. Crook Museum is located on the Fall River about 7 miles north of the town, Fall River Mills, California. The Fort Crook Historical Society was founded in 1934. They are dedicated to collecting, preserving, and presenting the history of the Intermountain area. The Fort Crook Historical Museum is a host to a variety of community functions such as Pioneer Day, weddings, reunions, etc. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye!